Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a Kill Kit video for my January 2020 Scrapbooking Store Kit. That was a mouthful, sorry about that. So I am on the Scrapbooking Store design team, and this month we used the Winter Farmhouse collection from Simple Stories. If you would like to become a member of this kit club, it's a very, very affordable, only $12 a month, and then plus shipping. We also have upgrades that you can purchase as well to add on to your kit that give you a little bit extra to work with. So I am going to show you what I have left of the kit, which is not very much at all. I feel really good about how well I have used up this kit, and yeah, so let's get started. So this is just the cover page, not anything special. Then I have a bunch of these 4x4 little cut apart cards. They were on this wreath paper, but I really like these 4x4 ones, so I think I will try to incorporate those into a layout or something in the future. I have one 3x4 card left, and then I have a bunch of just little teeny tiny scraps that I probably could put on a pocket card. I have this one that's a little bit smaller than 3x4. Then I have this piece of paper, which is a really, really gorgeous pattern. I think I mainly used this checkered piece though. Then this pattern paper that I used only about an inch of. We'll put all those under there. Then this, I think, is one of my favorites, and I'm probably going to hoard it forever because it's just gorgeous. And then it's got the pretty mustard floral on the background. I have the layouts underneath all of this. I should just, hold on. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Then we have this checkered piece, and then this one that has the mason jars on the back. Then we have this green and off-white plaid. It's a really pretty paper. I'm actually surprised I didn't use it. And then this one, I love these little scenes. I actually used up, I think, almost all of them that came in the ephemera pack. Okay, and then last but not least, in the main kit, we did get the Winter Farmhouse cardstock stickers. And I used probably a little less than half. I didn't use as much this time around because, like I said, as a design team member, I did get the upgrade kit, which included the embellishments, the ephemera. So I'm going to pull these out. I threw away the ephemera pack container, like the little package it came in. So I'm not sure how many I started out with, but I'm pretty sure I've used up half of what I had. I will make sure to leave a link below so that you can see the kit share. So you can kind of judge for yourself how much I've used, but I am totally going to put this into my winter stash and definitely use it in the future. So that's about half of the ephemera pack that I have left. Then I used up almost all of the enamel dots. I'm so excited about that. I'm totally impressed with myself. And then the American Crafts glitter stickers I used on, I think, only 3 pages. 3 out of my 4 pages. Actually, I think I created 5. Let's see. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to now show you the layouts. Oh, and you know what? I actually had 2 extras of those too on the wreath paper. I forgot about those. Okay, first off, I will show you, so this is the main layout project that I did, and this one appeared on the blog post for the Scrapbooking Kit store. And it's just a fun little story about Brennan wanting to make sure that drivers could see the stop sign, so he was cleaning it off. I don't know if you can even tell that that's what he's doing in these photos, but you can kind of see the succession of how it gets cleaner. My journaling I did hidden back here. Whoop. And I really love the embellishing that I did on this layout. I love this layout. Okay, so that was layout number 1. Layout number 2, and I have a process video for all of these layouts this month. I'm super excited about that. This one I did for a Secret Not Secret Kit Club challenge, and I was inspired by a layout I made. So I'll leave a link below so that you can find that video. And this one is just Brennan playing outside when he was like, I don't know, a few years ago, maybe like 6 or 7. So that would be more than a few years ago. This one is called Building a Snowman, and this one was, I think, let's see, 2018. I didn't put the date on here, but I did do the journaling. Have you guys noticed? I have been doing the journaling. So this one's up here, this one's here, and then this one is down here. I'm so proud of myself. I've been journaling on every single layout so far this year. And then this one, I did a pocket page. So I will just show you each one of those cards. Sorry about the glare. But I will also have pictures of each one of these layouts at the very end. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I did an extra project, and this one I did to use up my kit for the Crafty Maven getaway. So I did a kitted up challenge and finished up using this kit. So now it'll just go in my stash, and I will be able to pull from it whenever I want, if I want to do some winter scrapbooking. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will click on the link below if you would like to become a kit member and subscribe. These kits are amazing and they're crazy affordable. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!